Welcome to Extra Classes. Electrochemistry is one of the most conceptual chapters in Class 12 Chemistry, and NEET often asks direct formula-based questions from it. In the next 4 minutes, let's revise the key definitions, equations, and shortcuts you must remember for the exam. So let's get started. Start with electrochemical cells. Galvanic cells convert chemical energy into electrical energy through spontaneous redox reactions. Electrolytic cells use electrical energy to drive non-spontaneous reactions. Always write the cell notation correctly. For example, zinc, zinc ion, copper, copper. Remember, oxidation occurs at the anode, reduction at the cathode. To avoid confusion, recall an, ox, red, cat, which is anode equals oxidation, cathode equals reduction. Next, electrode potential. The standard electrode potential is measured under 1 m, 1 atmosphere, and 298 K, and the cell potential is E degree cell equals E degree cathode minus E degree anode. The Nernst equation is the key. E cell equals E degree cell minus 0.0591 divided by N log Q. Here, N is the number of electrons transferred, and Q is the reaction quotient. NEET often asks numerical questions directly from this equation. Practice such questions and many more on extra classes. There are 450 plus questions for electrochemistry with different difficulty levels across 6 tests on extra classes. Use the promo code in the description to join for free. Next up, Gibbs free energy and conductance. Relating electrochemistry with thermodynamics, delta G equals minus NFA cell. If delta G is negative, the cell reaction is spontaneous. Now, conductance. Conductivity, kappa, equals 1 divided by resistivity. Molar conductivity, lambda m, equals kappa multiplied by 1000 divided by m. Remember, molar conductivity increases with dilution and approaches infinity at infinite dilution for strong electrolytes. Let's understand Kohlrausch's law. Kohlrausch's law states that the molar conductivity of an electrolyte at infinite dilution is the sum of contributions of its individual ions. This helps in calculating molar conductivity of weak electrolytes like acetic acid and determining degree of dissociation and dissociation constant. Electrolysis is another high-yield area in NEET exams. Revise Faraday's laws of electrolysis. The mass deposited is directly proportional to the quantity of electricity passed. When the same charge is passed through different electrolytes, the masses deposited are proportional to their equivalent masses. Formula: M equals Z multiplied by I multiplied by T, where Z is electrochemical equivalent. For NEET, focus on Nernst equation numericals. Relation of delta G, K, and A cell. Kohlrausch's law applications. Faraday's laws, and formula-based questions. Stick to NCERT examples, memorize standard electrode potential values, and solve previous year's questions, as well as new questions on extra classes, from a set of 450 plus questions. With this, electrochemistry becomes one of the easiest scoring chapters in NEET chemistry. All the best for your NEET preparation.
Join extra classes for free today. Use the promo code in the description.